Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to fix mono audio in Premiere Pro. Okay, now here as you can see I have this audio here in my Premiere Pro, and when I play it,
For years, every spring, I'd watch the grass along my driveway.
I hear it only from one ear of your headphones. So I hear it only on the left side or the right side. To fix this issue, you have to right click on it, then go and click on audio channels. And here as you can see, I have the clip channel format is mono. Now to fix this issue, you need to open your browser, then search for convert mono to stereo audio. Then you want to go for the first option. Then you want to go and choose your file. After choosing the file, it will start to upload on your browser. Now you want to go and click on convert. It will start processing. Then after that, you can click on download. It will start downloading on your PC. After downloading, you'll have to put it inside your Premiere Pro. So I'm going to drag it like so, then put it here. After importing it, here I have two of my voices, the voice which is mono and the voice which is stereo. I'm going to delete the mono voice from my timeline. Then I'm going to drag the stereo voice just like so. Then here I have, as you can see, the video or the audio is in stereo, and you have here two voice channels. But the one that I have actually had at the first time was only mono. So I'm going to delete it. So now I'm going to play the video or the audio,
For years, every spring,
and I still have only the same problem. I can only hear it on my left ear. So I'm going to right click on it, then click on audio channels. And here, as you can see, you have it stereo. You just have to check this box, and instead of this box, then click on OK, and now play it.
for years, every spring, I'd watch the
And make sure that you have here the sequence settings. Go and click on two channels. Now try to play it.
For years, every spring,
If you still have the problem, right click on it, then go to audio channels and make sure that you have this one right here like this. Then click on OK. And now what you should do is to restart your Premiere Pro, then remove the sequence that you have added before. Then you want to go and drag the stereo audio like this, and you want to right click on it and make sure that you have here these audio channels selected just like so.
for years, every spring, I'd watch the grass.
And here you have the audio fixed. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.